Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com. Today we're taking a look at Stocktouch by Visible Market. This is a free financing application for you guys who are interested in stocks. You can check the most recent stocks and a really cool visual interface for the iPhone here. This is also designed for the iPad, so if you want to use it on a bigger screen, it's even better. But they also have it here in the mobile version for the iPhone, and it's really nice too, and has a nice zooming feature so you can really key into the stocks here. So you can see you get tons of information here. You can touch anywhere to zoom in, zoom out, monitor prices, volumes, and study the historical information of all the stocks, the companies. It has all 9 sectors, 4,000 companies, 30,000 charts, and over 40,000 news stories all on these tiles here. So for example, if I want to go into the technology stock, I simply tap in there. You can see now I get all my technology stock that I can go here, and then I can see in the red, which is basically those that are below. You can see when the stocks that have dropped there. So for example, Apple stock is down, and the ones that have gone up are green, where the ones that are kind of just stagnant are, you can see the red one, or the black ones right here, which are, you can see their change, you see their previous closing price, their opening price, the market cap, and I can just swipe left to right to get recent news stories, graphs, all of that good stuff, and I can just pinch to zoom out to go into another stock here. So for example, Microsoft looks like they went up today in the stock here. Again, you see the latest news, graphs, sliding to the right, even more detailed graphs, and then again it just kind of goes in that loop there. Now on the right here you also have a menu. So for example, I can search for certain stocks or symbols there. So I can just type in, for example, Apple, and that will pop up right here. If I type in, let me type in their correct code here. So if I was to type in A, P, and then I can type in L, you'll see it right there, AAPL. There's Apple, and you can just easily bring that up. Now you can go and change the heat map, for example, if you want the US stocks or the 100 largest stocks in 9 sectors. You can have global stocks, top 100 ETFs, or that's exchange traded funds. You can change that heat map on your overall stock here. You can go here and have the display statistics go either from price change, the volume, so relative trading activity, versus other markets there, and versus other sectors as well. You can sort it out differently. You can sort it from large to a small spiral pattern. You can have it by market cap winners. So again, if you're looking for specifics, you can sort it out depending on how you want it. If you want to sort it out by alphabetical, you can do that as well. So now you can see when I go into a stock, you can see they're alphabetized, so A to Z essentially in the market there. And I can change that again to the spiral pattern if I want. Additionally, you can have change from you can see here, this is a 1 week overview, the 1 month overview, the 3 month overview, and of course a 6 month overview and the 1 year overview, so you can see at a broader scale how these stocks are doing there. You can go for all the way up to 5 years and back to 1 day, so you can see how the stock's been doing overall and or just by a daily basis. This is just simply the refresh. You can refresh your feed there. You can have preferences here, so you can expand your view. You can see favorites, market indicators there. You also have you go here, you can see the little what do you call that, the ticker bar for Dow Jones. You have S&P, NAS there, all of these. You can also have the sounds turned on or off, and again I can just turn that on or off as well. And then lastly, you have information, which basically just shows you all the basic gestures. Again, this is a really cool application. The interface, they did a really good job of displaying tons of information in a really cool way here. So you can see I can just easily zoom in, zoom out, flick in between stocks here. I can simply click on a stock, get all the information I need to see about the stock, with all the relative things that you'd want to see. Obviously you can favorite it, so if you're going to commonly check in on it. Again, if you're into stocks, if you're into this financial market, maybe you invest a little bit, maybe you just kind of want to review the market, this is a really cool way to do it. This is Stocktouch by the guys over at Visible Market. Check it out in the App Store today.